Welcome or welcome back. My name is Ash and this is Ash Reacts. Today we're watching some more Chainsaw Man. I'm really nervous. I just finished the last episode, which ended in chaos with people getting shot, people dying, random violence. I don't know who's causing it, maybe the gun devil, but I'm really nervous and I'm ready to just jump into it. But before we do, if you're interested in these videos and reactions uncut or early, make sure you head to the Patreon. The link is in the description. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. Thank you so much. Let's go. I don't want to see it happen again. Guys, I didn't cry the first time. I'm not going to cry this time. She really loves him. I need him to lock in after she's gone. Did her freaking fingernail just come off? At least they grow back. Who is this bitch? Where'd she come from? Can we go back to Denshi? Is he okay? Because I really thought he got shot in the head. Who's this? Is it the ghost hand that she was using? Well, thank you, ghost hand. You're gonna try. I know what this bass line means. It means we're about to fuck shit up. Hell yeah! I love when he laughs like a maniac. All the stakes. This whole battle, and she just loses one fingernail. Someone needs to kill this bitch. Come on, come on. I believe in you, Denji, somewhat. I don't know why this guy's so confident, because he's essentially Denji without the chainsaw electric motion. I'm pretty sure you already shot him. Chainsaw him up. Slice, 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 slice. Block him! Block him! Maybe they're just co-workers. Maybe he doesn't care. Okay, you're the asshole in this situation, buddy. Oh, he's fast, like the gun devil. He's behind you! Guys! No! And he's got him by the handle and everything. Guys, this is not what I thought this show was gonna be. Damn. This is like the Empire Strikes Back. We're down. How many of these bitches did they kill? And this is gonna increase the fear of guns, making the gun devil more powerful. I knew she was weird. I don't know why she's weird, but she is somehow. I hope she can get the day off since she just died and came back to life. All of them. No. That's what you're worried about? People are dead. She's gonna get Denji back somehow. Liar! She's made a deal with someone. No, they're just gonna shoot you there. They got him. They got him. Okay. What does all of this have to do with anything? You do look very suspicious. walking around in that outfit, covered in blood. These the criminals. I gotta climb all those stairs? Well, I'm not making it then. They can't be doing good things with these people. They're sacrificing them to something. How is he heavy? You cut him in half. That's gotta be something, right? You guys are shitty criminals. You have your corpse just sitting on the sidewalk. Get him in the car. Oh shit! That's like in The Boys. I never know what to expect with this show. What the fuck is going on? No, Makima's fine. Makima has superpowers. Is she the crow? Is she a familiar? Is she a warg? What is she doing? She's killing people. I don't actually know that, but that's what I'm sensing. So you don't know her powers. She's smushing these bitches. No, he's gonna go splat. Oh, and they're dead now. I knew it! She's nuts. And she looks like she has fun doing it too. I will be, yeah. I don't think it matters though. Cause all she gotta do is say your name. And you're going splat. How does she know whose names to say though? What the fuck? Who cleans all of this up? Cause I don't know if rain is projected soon, so we gotta figure it out. You better go by an alias so she can't say your name. I don't know why she had to be blindfolded, because we heard everything, and I think we can put the pieces together on our own when we wake up to a bunch of dead people, and all the people's names they said are dead too. Bullshit power. They did! I saw! It was a straight shot to the head. Wait, is that the... That's the girl I thought we couldn't count on. Girl, move. Do something. She said she wasn't allowed to talk about her contracts. We're gonna see something, right? Something cool. Oh shit. She just practices her CrossFit, you know? Shoot the girl! Shoot the girl! Yeah, they need... I would be dipping, for sure. They stuck around way too long. They're bad criminals. Oh, she's down 2 fingernails now. While all these other people lost their lives. I want to know how these people get the good contracts with the devils. Makima's got some deal going on. Because she didn't disappear like our other girl. Thank you. You should have said sorry earlier. Maybe when we were out for drinks. I'm assuming we can reattach his legs since we already reattached his arm before. Good job. I didn't think you could do anything under pressure. You are slowly impressing me a little bit. Himeno. You're not gonna see her again. We're getting on another train. We can't drive.
人が以外はほとんど全員死にました。人員不足のため 得意1課、2課、
Okay.
3課は4課と合併。以降、
So we're gonna meet new
公安大麻
friends.
得意4課をマキマさんの指揮下に置きます。
She really doesn't seem disappointed that everyone's dead, so I still don't trust her.
僕の辞表です。
Oh, you know what? The smartest character we've met so far.
最後に教えてください。
Okay, you couldn't wait till I...
マキマさんは
Before I
今
turn
回の
around.
事態をどこまで想定していましたか？
一般市民に公安の内部事情を教えられないな。
What a cheeky response.
これ渡しておくね。
Wow. They're nervous. They don't want to die either.
俺たち得意課に入るわけやないですからね。
指導に来ただけですからね。
1週間ですぐ京都に戻りますから。
If you live that long.
東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに。
I wish I could know what she's thinking. I wish I could like describe the vibes I thought were gonna happen. Obviously I thought serious stuff was gonna happen, like we've had deaths and surprises before in the show, but not on this level. So I'm really just still, even after watching a whole nother episode since last episode, I'm still processing all the crazy shit that's happened. We didn't get any Aki this episode. I'm very concerned about him because he was stabbed. I know he didn't die because they would have shown us him die, I imagine. I'm very curious where we'll go from here. I still want to know what's up with Makima. I want to know how Denji and how Aki are going to react to everything that's happened, especially losing Himeno. That's what I'm mostly anticipating in the last 3 episodes. I'm also super like worried how they're gonna wrap this up in 3 episodes because a lot of shit has just gone down. I know there's a movie coming out next year. I will definitely react to that. Make sure you hit subscribe if you want to be here for that. But yeah, I'm just ready to react to the next one. Let's go. Oh, Aki, are you okay? I know he's not gonna be okay. He's gonna be more determined than ever. And his 2 foster children just staring at him. Girl, what's your problem? There was a whole basket of them, girl.
全部俺んだ。
Oh,
敵から逃げたやつに食わせるリンゴはね。
she did run.
4課は誰が生き残ってる？
I don't quite know who all is in Division 4, but Makima's
チ
alive.
ビとメガネの男も生き残ったみたいだけど。
Okay. I know he's gonna be sad about Himeno. And they left the stools knocked over. They really are like raising children. What are you gonna do, bro?
カス。俺はあと何
I've
年生
been
きれる？
wondering. Please tell me. That's like in 2 years. Damn. Can you smoke in a hospital, bro? I've been there. Oh, what a cool shot. And she said like he's so human in the way that he hasn't become desensitized to the sadness that this job can bring. And we're really seeing that right now. I don't like seeing him sad.
忘れた漫画取りに戻ったら泣いてんだけど。あれ？
Oh, is he remembering things? You've had a hard life, Denji. You might be desensitized a little bit. I mean, you knew her for like 2 days.
初めて友達になろうっつってくれた人なのに。俺ひどくね？
No. I think life's just complicated.
マキマさんが死んだら
You'd be disappointed.
心臓だけじゃなく人の心までなくなっちまったのか。
I love how self-reflective he's being. Someone left a comment a few videos back, I'll try to find it, talking about how a lot of the things we think Denji is stupid for, it's really just like he doesn't have the life experience yet. He's very intuitive the more we get to listen to his inner dialogue.
どうも。あれ泣いてた？
Bitch, it's not your business.
私たちマキマさんに頼まれて京都から得意4課を指導に来ました。
そのリンゴ食べていいですか？
Bro, I've only had it for like 2 minutes. Let me think. And also, someone in the last reaction I posted commented and were like, read the manga when you're done with the show. But I know there's like movies and stuff coming out. So how far can I read in the manga without getting spoiled for anything? Because I have seen the mangas at my local library. Nerds, sound off in the comments. I need to know.
君たちを指導するのは彼だよ。
Is this... I'll recognize him if I see his face. Oh no, he looks like a blondie. I don't recognize him.
仲間が死んでどう思った？
I mean...
別に
死んだと思った。
お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ？
Neither. Whoever pays me the most.
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
勝ってる方。
Fair. I love these two. I love honesty. Look at this guy. He's kind of hot.
お前たち100点だ。
He has a scar on his face like the guy who was talking to Himeno at the graves. But I didn't remember his hair being blonde. I think this guy's gonna be good for these two. They need a little structure. Because the guy talking to Himeno in the last, he drank a lot. Because he said, you gotta be a little crazy. He seems a little crazy. What was that for?
人間様と違うのは血を飲めば復活するとこだな。
Okay, so that's not just a Denji thing. Damn, they really are like vampires.
お前の心臓がなぜか知らんが銃の悪魔に狙われている。
I know why. It's because this guy.
お前たちが俺を倒せるようになるまで俺はお前たちを狩り続ける。
Oh, I thought we were gonna get more structured, and this is just more chaos.
デンジ。
Damn, her powers are cool. Well, that didn't take long. And it's 2-on-1 and they're already second. And it just started so they're not tired.
狩りに真剣はない。
Which is problematic for me as the viewer.
だから壊れないおもちゃが欲しかったんだ。
He went into the right career.
コン。
Well, isn't the fox dead? I think we saw him get eaten.
不謹慎やけど今回の事件でやめ時やと思いましたけど
No, he's already given too much to the cause.
続けるなら続けるでそれなりの覚悟を君にはしてもらう。
How much more can you sacrifice? He doesn't have a life.
やめへんならもっと強い悪魔と契約して得意化に貢献してもらわなあかんみたいです。
家族を殺したやつもバディを殺したやつも。
Oh, and also, someone commented and said the sequence of the little boys with the gun devil, that was Aki. I don't know why I didn't think about that. Because for some reason I thought what they were showing was in America, because they had just talked about like the states and the terrorist attack and the gun devil.
なのになんでやめれるんですか？
He's not the type to be happy retired.
明日家に迎えに行くからな。
Man, they look rough. Denji don't even have half his clothes anymore.
俺は今日何回殺された
20回以上じゃ。
They deserve more money. That's all I'm gonna say. And nobody's even gonna drive them home. By the time they get home, they're gonna have to walk back. Oh wait, no, he's meeting them at home. But still, they should have called them an Uber.
俺たちのおもちゃ扱いしやがってよ。
You guys deserve rights.
わしらは頭を使って戦えばいいんじゃ。
Well, I think Denji is smarter than I originally thought. I don't think Power is.
あいつらの家は確か
They're gonna get him by surprise here.
来たな、アルチュージジ。
俺たちの日常を壊すやつは死だ。
超インテリ作戦開始じゃ。
They're so funny.
死ぬ武器か待ち伏せしてやがって
Hell yeah.
側ってわけだな。
You know what? He should be a little proud, actually. I know the neighbors are pissed off. I would be. Some people are probably trying to sleep in. Denji, I saw your shadow, so I know he saw your shadow.
今までで一番良かったぞ。
And it still wasn't great.
もっと頭を使え。
I knew he would like it a little bit.
今回は良かったからもう終わりだ。 俺は飲みに行く。
Hey, at least you guys have the rest of the day to enjoy life now. Now you guys can sit around and think of more plans. Wait. We let our guard down.
獣が狩人の言葉を信用するな。
I fell for it. I really did. I really want us to go back to Aki. Let's circle back.
俺たちはアキ君をいじめたくてそんなことをするんじゃありませんよ。
Still, you guys could be a little more tactful.
ここには公安が生け捕りにした悪魔たちがぶち込まれてる。
Give devils rights. Give devils rights. You guys just treat them all like they're all evil. And the people you were beefing with on the train and stuff, those were people. Those were not devils.
それは私宛てに姉から送られてきた手紙です。
Aki, I love you. Please marry me. Love, Himeno. Well, I can't read that. Okay, Dad's sick. I'm forced Aki to get his ear pierced. Good choice, because it's hot. If nothing else, we could go private instead of in public. How do I get Aki to quit? I brought it up, but he just brushed it off. Because he has goals. Well, it's not what I wanted. And I don't know what Aki is quite taking from it.
悪魔とアキ君は契約してもらいます。いるんは未来の悪魔。
Future devil.
公安でこいつと契約している人は2人。1人は寿命半分。もう1人は両目と味覚。
Okay, well, he only has 2 years left on his life. And I want to know what Makima has given up, because she looks pretty okay, and she has this big, powerful contract with the devil, it seems like, to smush people. Well, I'm terrified. So it's the future devil. I am very grateful that this episode was a little more tame compared to the last few we have watched. I was getting a little emotionally damaged from all the loss and surprises. There's only so much a lady can take. Now we only have 2 episodes left. I only have 1 more reaction to put out after this one until there's a movie coming out. I definitely will react to that, so don't worry. I am wondering if the next 2 episodes are going to put a little bow on this arc, or if it's going to leave us a big cliffhanger leading into the movie. And I'm wondering if we are going to get more of a glimpse into the Gun Devil in these last 2 episodes, because that does seem to be who our big bad is. I'm ready to see our gang get back together too, our 2 kind of hybrid creatures with Aki. I think Aki needs a little levity and positivity in his life, even if it comes with a little bit of annoyance as well. But I'm ready to sit down and watch the next one. If you want to be here next week when I release those reactions, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button. Let me know in the comments down below if you think devils are all bad, or if you think there are some that could be a little good, a little bit of both. And if you're interested in any of these videos ever, uncut or early, head to the Patreon. Thank you so much for watching.